120 divided by 12. Here 12 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 12. 12 times 0 0, 12 times 1 12, 12 times 2 24, 12 times 3 36, 12 times 4 48, 12 times 5 60. To find out the multiplication table of 12, easily just add 12 with the previous step. 0 plus 12 12, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 12 36, 36 plus 12 48, 48 plus 12 60. This process will continue. 12 goes into this one how many times? 0 times, because our current dividend 1 is less than 12. So 0 times 12, that gives you 0. Subtract 1. Bring down next digit. 12 goes into 12 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 12, 12. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 0 0 means 0. 12 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 12, 0. Subtract 0. So our remainder is 0 and there is no digit in the dividend to bring down. So 0 1 0 means 10 is our answer.